Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install WooCommerce plugin. So simply in order to do this, just you have to open the main dashboard of your website. So here we have opened the WooCommerce site. After that, just on the left side you can see the plugin option available. Simply just move to plugins, and after that here you can see there are many plugins available. So simply now I want to activate or install the plugin. Simply just here select the plugin and after that click on activate. So now wait for few seconds, our plugin is being installed. After that here you can see click on save changes, and now here on left side you can see this plugin installed. So simply just I'm going to show you here. So here you can check our plugin is here. So simply I have installed it here. So simply in Jetpack here you can see my plugin is available here. So whenever you activate or install plugins, it will be available on the left corner of tabs. So simply you will find the installed plugins here. So simply I will activate another plugin. Simply select this one and click on activate. So after a few seconds, so here you can see we have installed these plugins. So now finally follow up plugins available here. So in this way you can easily install plugins in WooCommerce.